yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. What up, fam? Okay, let's see what we got here. And we want to check on news. We want to check futures, stock futures, stock futures. Stock futures are tumbling, it said. Hold on, let me see. No, they look green. They look green. Let's check stock market news. Type of one in the chat if you hear me. Type of one in the chat if you hear me. Do I have the right? Hey, do I have the right thumbnail up? Woo! Stock. Weekly outlook of prediction stock and crypto news and TA. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook of predictions from Datazero. All right, now we want to also check Xana 8, Kai Sapri, party, what up? Pam Law in the building. Alright, so Bitcoin and crypto obviously bouncing. Is this a bear flag though? That's what we need to fucking ask ourselves. Is this a bear flag? Because it could be. So we need to watch that thing. This could easily be the beginning of a bear flag. So we need to watch carefully. Uh-oh. It's a little tiny bear flag, but it could be one nonetheless. Cardano ADA. Ooh! Cardano ADA. %94% of XRP holders are in profit. Ooh, that's not good. They're trying to create fear in XRP right now, though. I definitely think they're trying to shake people out of XRP right now. Because I'm not selling it. And if I see it pull back, I'm going to buy more. They're definitely trying to create fear in XRP. I could just be stupid and we could go into a bear market. But I don't think we're going into a bear market. I mean that's when it could happen, though. But I'm pretty good at calling tops. If RSI was making lower lows, I would be worried, but it's making higher lows. And if RSI was way more overbought on the monthly, I would be worried. I'm not worried. And I see these sell walls here for XRP constantly because I think they're trying to pin XRP price for about like anywhere from like $3.20 to $3.10. Yo, type a 1 in the chat if you can hear me, cuz. Type a 1 in the chat if you can hear me. Bro, you never know. Stocks could tumble. We could go straight to bear market. ETH looks disgusting. This could definitely be a bull flag forming on ETH. It's like a falling wedge right here, bro. A little sloppy right here. A little sloppy right here, but it looks like a possible breakout of a falling wedge already. Push ETH back up. Oh, did you guys watch my video? Make sure you guys watch my video, new AMC location. New AMC location. More proof AMC is thriving. More proof AMC is thriving. So make sure you guys check that out. And I give projections on Q3 earnings, and my projections for Q2 earnings come to fruition. Will AMC be able to close over $3? That's the question. If we close over $3, we get a green week. I think we're going to see pullback in the beginning of the week, and then by the end of the week, we should be over $3. We'll probably consolidate along 3, maybe a slightly under, and then push up. This will take 1, 2, 3, 4. It will take like the 3 or 4 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Someone bought 650 calls. Calls heavily outweighing puts. That's always a good sign. Yoo! Let's see. Only 3.8 million short shares. 5 million short shares for AMC. Only 3.8 million for GME. That's not a lot. How AMC short interest went down, I'll never know. So I'm expecting a little bit of pullback possibly on the Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we should slightly trend up. Look at this nasty pennant we got for GameStop. GameStop about to break out, cut. We probably break out Tuesday and push up Wednesday.
You know what?
I'm thinking meme stocks have a decent Friday for some reason. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday. I think GameStop breaks $23 this week. I think GameStop breaks $23 this week. So AMC breaks, it holds $3 this week. And AMC did have a green week last week. It was up 2.39%. GameStop was up 3%. SPY was up 0.98%. Unfortunately, I think SPY's probably going to have a red week, though, because it's going to break down out of this bear flag. So I'm just going to have to go with red week on SPY, green week on AMC, green week on GME. I'm just going to have to. Because GameStop's definitely breaking and holding $23 this week. SPY definitely going down. My NASDAQ prediction's pretty much tracking perfectly. We have this bear flag playing out. So it's gonna push down even further and track with this. I'm leaving this exactly how I have it. Make sure you guys press the like button if you don't mind. Press the like button if you don't mind. When is GME earnings? September 9th. Alright, do we have any AMC or GME stock news? They said Adam Aaron did another interview. Yo, we got another upgrade. I'm posting this. Alright, so AMC stock got an upgrade. Like and share, like and share. Everybody like and share, bro. You gotta help support the channel or I'll go broke. Help support the channel or I'll go broke. Alright, we are live, we are live, we are live, baby. Wait till you guys see how tan I got from going to the beach. I went to the beach this Saturday, bro. I'm about to start going to the beach every day, cut. Hey, yo, check it out. AMC stock just got another upgrade. AMC went from a strong sell to hold. If the analysts are saying AMC stock's doing better, it's definitely doing better. Follow me for more AMC stock news and predictions. AMC stock currently has an average rating of hold, consensus target of 333. Other analysts have raised their price target, with Wedbush upgrading AMC status from neutral to outperform and raising the price target. Here are the key points, and as you guys can see, other analysts are raising their price target to AMC to $4, and we're getting pretty much rating upgrades from everyone. Like and subscribe for more. I definitely think this is a bear flag on Bitcoin. So we might see a little bit more pullback on crypto, but I don't think the crypto bull run is over just yet. 39 people in the building, 39 people in the building. Thank you. Yeah, hit the like button and share the content, or I'll go broke. You must. We're at 16,391, dude. We're about to hit 16,400. Bitcoin bear flag. Alright, so yeah, guys, we might see a little bit more pullback, but that doesn't mean everything's going to pull back, because Ethereum looks like it's in a falling wedge and could push up. Now, that could help everything push up, but I doubt it. Let's see if there's any other AMC stock news. Oh my god, a freaking super chat. There's a possibility of rate cuts in September. I will say that. I need to wait till we're a little bit closer to really give you an idea, but there's a possibility they might try to cut rates, yes. Yo, Danny Lamb, thank you for the super chat. You always hold it down, bro. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. You always hold it down with the chats. Alright, let's check in GME stock news. Let's get some hype in the chat for Danny Lamb. All right, Banner in the building, one of the greatest mods in the world. Thank you. The mods is here. If you guys don't like the stream and comment, I'll go broke and the channel will disappear. So make sure you like the stream and comment. Ethereum falling wedge in play. Look at this pink color. Is that new? How is Bitcoin in a bear flag but ETH has a falling wedge? AMC's been making higher lows, so we might not have to drop down for this. We might just hold $3 and push up, but I'm expecting us to hold 3 and push up. So AMC's gonna, since it closed 3, it's gonna close green on the week because we're gonna close over $3, I believe. And I believe GameStop's gonna close over $23. So green week for GameStop, green week for AMC, and I'm gonna have to say red week for SPY. I'm gonna have to say red week for SPY because I believe we're gonna see pullback. We already have a bear flag breaking down. Like, we're gonna see pullback. You can already see the MACD starting to go red here on SPY. 4-hour, 2-hour time frame. So, and we have this big ass bear flag. So from all of that, that tells me that we're gonna pull back. Wait, did we get more subscribers? I think we just got a new subscriber. Thank you so much. I'm not 100% sure, but we're at 16,391. Thank you. The money is truly calling, my friends. Cardano ADA also looks like it's in a possible bullish structure right as well. So I think what we're going to see is altcoins push up, but maybe potentially Bitcoin pull back. And that would definitely mean altcoin season is coming. We're not in altcoin season yet, but it means altcoin season is potentially coming. Look how low Bitcoin dominance is. 57.4%. That's big. Let's see if there's any GameStop news. Okay. We got a little something. We got a little something here. GameStop Corp stock position increased by Marathon Trading Investments. So more people buying. It looks like everything is about GameStop getting bought. Look at this. There's like Swiss National Bank lowers stock holdings, but look at this. GameStop shared sold by Charles Schwab. GameStop set to squeeze. What? Rising short interest and poor sentiment set the stage for a potential short squeeze. GameStop set the squeeze, guys.
Yo, 14, you got another one. Yo, 14, you got another one.
Hey, it's me. I know it's been a while, but I was just thinking about you, and I'm sorry about everything. I miss you.
Alright, check this out. GME earnings isn't in a long time, brother. Alright, I gotta make this video right now. Holy crap. It's super late. Hey, yo, check it out. Why is Seeking Alpha saying GameStop is about to squeeze? We also have more funds buying GME stock. You guys already know if you follow my Twitter/X or YouTube, I've been showing you guys a lot of funds buying GME stock. So we have another fund buying GME stock, Marathon Trading, and then we have this article coming out from Seeking Alpha saying GameStop stock is about to squeeze. And it could potentially hit $30. What do you guys think in the comments down below? Is GME going to squeeze? Is it going to hit $30? Or is the mainstream media just trying to play games? Short interest is increasing. We're at 16.63%. You could see something pop off. Alright, so I gotta put out a video. Bear flag for BTC. I'm gonna try to make this video. Thanks for modding, Bano. Yeah, he's learning. He's learning not to spam. Yeah, see how Bitcoin's pulling back? But for some reason, we have a possible falling wedge here on Ethereum. Ender's Game, son. No spam the day. Tune in Monday for play by play of the market turning. Tune in, yeah. You know what it is? 40 people in the building. DZ fam, we about to make a killing. Danny Lim just sent a super chat. Yeah, thank you. 44 likes. We almost got 50 likes already, guys. That's insane. Hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the like button. How we get 50 likes so fast? Alright, I gotta do this video. It's gonna be too late. got super tan at the beach. You guys might not recognize me. Still got live by the beach. Still got sand in my streets. That's why I live by the beach. I still got sand in my streets. That's why I live by the beach. You still got sand in my streets. Am I the GOAT? Thank you, bro. Yo, Andrew, thank you for holding it down with the 10 months, bro. Thank you holding it down with the 10-month support, brother.
Thoughts UAVs.
10-month solid
USA
support,
made drones.
G-Stats.
Rocket,
And thank
rocket,
you, Danny
rocket,
Lamb.
rocket.
I'm thinking a possible rate cut for September, but we have to see when we get a little bit closer. But I'm thinking it's a
Spy
possibility.
tanking this week. Also rate cut coming in Sep.
Thank you, Andrew and Danny Lamb. Yo, we just gotta... Wait, what? Oh, dude, I totally did not understand. I totally did not understand your freaking thing, what you were saying.
UABS,
You,
please thank
I
you
didn't know
rocket
what you were
rocket
rocket
rocket rocket rocket rocket rocket rocket
What up,
rocket
Aaron?
rocket
Aaron, it's
rocket.
been a minute. Yo, Aaron, I got a new IRL video. You gotta check it out. You guys gotta check this video out right now. Oh.
Thriving.
Yo, what is happening? You guys gotta check this video out, please. It got 122 likes. All right, so Todd with the 5 gifted. Todd with the 5 gifted. Todd with the 5 gifted, yo. Todd with the 5 gifted on the weekend. It's insane. Todd with the 5 gifted on the weekend. 5 brand new people. Just yo, hype in the chat. Hype in the chat for Todd.
UABS, please thank you rocket
Type in
rocket
the chat
rocket
for
rocket
Todd.
rocket 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 rocket.
And thank you, Andrew, for the $2 super chat. This could be a decent, but bro, if you lose this level here, like of 180, $2, you're gonna dump, bro. There's a lot of risk and a decent amount of reward. If you lose this key level though, bro, of 280 or 180 slash $2, you're gonna absolutely dump. Let's check out long term. So we have long term projections. It looks like it could start bottoming here and push up though. This stock's been beaten down, brother. Beaten down. It was what? How is it? Okay, I don't even know anything about the stock. It went to $17 million before some shit. Brother, I don't know. This seems super risky. But this thing could go crazy. I have no idea. This is not an easy, brother. This is not easy. Just know that if you lose $2 slash 180, it's going to fucking dump. And if it can break and hold 260 to like $3, so like 260, $3, it's going to pump. It's in a consolidation zone. It's either going to break one way or the other. It looks like it's going to break up in my personal opinion, but who knows? That John was like $17,000 at one point, brother. Yo, we in this bitch, we in the building, about to make a killing. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for the super chats. Good night, Bano. See ya. And I'm glad you stopped in, Aaron. I appreciate it. Long time no see. Make sure you hit the like button, please. We're trying to get 50 likes. And if you guys can, just make sure you check out. If you guys can, make sure you guys check out this new video. I just posted it. Make sure you guys check it out. I'm going to put the link in this. Make sure you guys check out my new video.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Wasn't there a shirt that had like AMC, GameStop, everything on it that you made? What happened to that shirt? It had like everything. It had AMC, GameStop, Bitcoin. I swear you made a shirt like that, Aaron. And it had everything on it. It might not be available right now. It's on the side list. It's on the side quest list. Alright, I have to make the video now or I'm screwed. Oh my god, I forgot. I have to do a quick video. Because now the video is only going to get like 5 views. Because it's so late. It's going to be like 8:30, 9 o'clock by the time the video comes out. Oh my god, this is garbage. It's going to be like 8:30, bro. Great. 8:30 at the earliest, probably like 9 o'clock. And what is the data drop for this week? It's 18 to 22. I'm gonna try to make a video. If I can, I can't. 19, 20. Green week for AMC, green week for GME, red week SPY. Exiting home sales. Fed chair press speech. So we have a speech on Friday. That's gonna be our biggest thing, and FOMC minutes on Tuesday. Or Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we have data drops. This is, and yeah, from 18 to the 22nd. Okay, let's go. Alright, if you guys see the video now, man, I appreciate it if you guys just hit the like button and subscribe on the video when it does drop. I do appreciate that. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're looking at AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. Let's go ahead and hop into charts, facts, data. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Let's go ahead and hop in right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we're going to be looking at is the meme stocks, AMC and GME. Short, sweet, and to the point for this one, guys. So, AMC, I'm thinking we could see some pullback here. Potentially Monday and Tuesday, okay? I could be wrong, but I'm thinking for both GameStop and AMC, we see a little bit of pullback Monday and potentially Tuesday. But long story short, I'm thinking that AMC is going to break and hold $3, which is already above 3 right now. Basically, I'm saying that we're going to confirm the level of $3 as support, and we're going to move away from $3, okay? And then GameStop, I believe, is going to move towards $23, break that and hold that level, which is going to push it to the upside. If you guys do look at the options chain, there's going to be a change, obviously, as the week gets closer and week goes on. But as you guys can see, we're heavily stacked calls here for AMC over the puts. And it looks like $3 calls are decently weighed, and $3.50 as well. So we could see a push towards $3.50, $3.25 in my personal opinion. But based off everything I'm seeing here, and I'm going to break down the technicals as well, we are absolutely going to be able to break and hold $3 on the AMC stock in my personal opinion. Now I'm going to show you guys why I do believe AMC stock is going to be able to keep this level and hold this level. You guys can see we had this nasty push to the upside, and we have some news for you guys as well about AMC and GME. But as you guys can see, we have this nasty push to the upside. We came down, we're finding support, we're making higher lows. This is very, very bullish. And it looks like we're consolidating after getting this nice move up, finding a nice little floor here around $3. And then once we confirm that floor, you're really going to see AMC start to push pretty rapidly, most likely towards $3.50 and possibly $4. You guys can see that we had some recent news here for both AMC and GME stock. So AMC stock keeps getting upgraded. It's been upgraded by multiple analysts, multiple firms. As you guys can see, we have another upgrade here. And this is the long story short here, the key points of that. A lot of people are saying that AMC is going to go to about $4. Now, obviously, if these people are talking about AMC and saying AMC is going to go up, then AMC is definitely going to go up, and AMC is definitely doing better. These are the analysts. These are bought and paid for shills, ladies and gentlemen. They are bought and paid for by the hedge funds to put out information and try to change people's perception about an asset. And if they're saying it's going to do better, it is definitely going to do better. Now, is the mainstream news up to something? You guys have to let me know in the comments down below, because we have this news with GME as well. We have multiple funds buying GME. If you guys follow me on my Twitter and YouTube, you guys will know that I've been posting recently about funds in quote-unquote smart money buying GME stock. Well, here's another fund buying GME stock. You guys can see that Marathon Trading Investment Management LLC increased their holdings of GME. So you guys can see that, and here are the key points here. If you guys want to break that down and read that, you guys can. Now, also we have people like Seeking Alpha, which has often spoke bad about GameStop and about AMC. They're saying that GME is potentially going to squeeze and potentially hit $30. So is the mainstream media up to something? They're raising the price targets for AMC and GME, and this is why I am bullish on the meme stocks. Not only that, AMC came out and just recently crushed earnings, and if you haven't seen the video I just dropped where I show where AMC is absolutely thriving and give my predictions for AMC earnings, I think not only this time is going to be good, but Q3 earnings are going to be good as well, because of the box office lineup that we have and how many people I'm seeing go to the movies. And I'm actually going on the ground and seeing these things happen. So every time I go to the movies, no matter if it's on the weekend or the weekday, the movies are absolutely thriving. AMC is definitely making money. GameStop is also in profit on its Bitcoin, so the fundamentals are good. GameStop's a profitable company as well and sitting on a ton of cash. So when it comes to the meme stocks, the fundamentals are definitely improving, and the short thesis is definitely dying in my personal opinion. Now, another reason why I think GameStop could push up as well, and this is going to help AMC because you want to see both of the meme stocks rise together. You guys can see that GameStop's in this potential bullish pattern here, okay? If we break out of this, GameStop's going to go to 23.15, and 23.15 is a key level of support and resistance. If we're able to break and hold 23.15, you're going to see a nice move towards 23.80 and potentially $24. So again, I think GME could go as high as $24 this week, and AMC could go as high as $3.50, but I definitely think GME is going to break and hold $23, and I think AMC is going to maintain $3 and start to move away from that towards $3.15, $3.25, and maybe as high as $3.50. So I'm going to have to give both AMC and GME a green week in my personal opinion, based off all the technicals I'm seeing here. We have this bullish pattern set up here. GME has this higher low, higher low, higher low setup. It's clearly going to start moving up and head towards its gap fill. And the gap fill starts at 24.84 and goes all the way to 28.47. Once it gets into the gap fill, it's going to start moving clearly. And you guys can see here, even if I pop on a few tools like the Bollinger Bands, you guys can see the Bollinger Bands are tight. You guys can see that the alligator is showing that there's bullish momentum here. You guys can also see that if we go ahead and pop on the super trend for AMC, we have this buy signal here on the hourly time frame, buy signal here on the 2-hour time frame, buy signal here on the 4-hour time frame. It's showing that we still have bullish momentum. It's showing that we're holding key levels, and it's showing that we're going to continue to the upside. So I'm definitely bullish on both AMC and GME. GME, same story, bullish 4-hour MACD, and we have the super trend buy signal as well. This is big for the 4-hour time frame. We're going to break out of this and push up, and both of the meme stocks are going to be going up this week in my personal opinion, and that is why I'm thinking we're going to have a green week for the meme stocks based off the charts, facts, and technicals. Now, as far as short shares shares are concerned, they're also running a little low on ammo compared to what we have been seeing. It's still a ton of short shares, but we have 3.8 million short shares here for GME, and that's at a cost to borrow at 0.42%. Again, this could change as early as tomorrow morning, but that's what we have here at time of recording. Now, if you go ahead and look at AMC has 5 million short shares, and that is at a cost to borrow of 0.52%. Cost to borrow is slowly going up here for AMC, so at least it's trending in the right direction. We want to see cost to borrow go back up for both of the meme stocks. We want to see it at 1% or higher. That would be more bullish for us. Now, oddly enough, AMC short interest is pulling back, but I'm thinking it's going to go back up next report that we get. You guys can see short interest is sitting at 9.53% here for AMC and sitting at 16.63% here for GME, and that is possibly why we could see a short squeeze here for GME as well, because short interest is extremely high. So if price starts to rise and shorts have to cover, you could see what Sika Alpha is saying, a push towards that $30 price target. And we all know that if GME is able to break and hold $30, you're going to see a nice move up. So this is what we're looking at for the meme stocks. Meme stocks potentially set up for something, ladies and gentlemen. I do think we're going to see a green week this week, in my personal opinion. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys can see what happens. And I do go live as well, so you guys can get that live technical and news information as soon as it comes out. So again, follow me for more information on the meme stocks. Let's go ahead and move into SPY and the overall stock market, show you guys what's going on there. And then we'll move into cryptocurrency and wrap up this video. So SPY is sitting in a major bear flag right now. We had this drop down, then we had this huge push up. Right now we still have momentum, but I think that momentum is fading. You guys can see MACD red here on the 4-hour time frame. RSI trending down. This means momentum is fading. Also, NASDAQ breaking down out of the bear flag. I told you guys this would happen. I had a prediction here showing that NASDAQ getting a spike to the upside and pulling back, consolidating and dropping down. This is what we're seeing, but I think NASDAQ has a little bit more downside. As you guys can see, the prediction shows a little bit more downside. You guys can see that RSI is trending down. That means momentum is fading. Hourly MACD red, 2-hour MACD red, and 4-hour MACD curling down. This is all indication that momentum is starting to fade out on the bigger time frames. So this is why I have to go with a red week here for SPY. We also have major data drops, which could really shake things up, and we're starting to see that tariff inflation really start to creep in with last week's PPI report. So you want to be aware of this. Now, data drops for this week, we have building permits, housing starts, that's on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes, that's going to be huge. Exiting home sales on Thursday, and Friday, we have the big one, Fed Chair Powell speech. I will be streaming that, so make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, as I will be going live, and you guys put that bell notification on. That way you know when I go live. But this I'm expecting to be bearish, in my personal opinion. All right, it's at 10 a.m. on Friday. We'll be streaming it, and I think it could potentially be bearish for the market. As far as NASDAQ and SPY are concerned, you could see a little bit more recovery here on Monday or Tuesday, but I'm thinking Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we're going to start to see downside, and that's going to give us an overall red week for the market. Again, you could see some recovery, but I'm thinking we're overall going to see downside. What I'm expecting in the morning, since futures are green right now, is a little bit upside, basically kind of making a bear flag and then drop down. You guys can see that NASDAQ's already in this bear flag, this miniature bear flag here, after breaking down. It has this bearish consolidation. It already retested as resistance, and it's probably going to break down here. Once it loses this 21,600 level, it's going to really dump down hard. Same thing here for SPY. Once it loses like 642.58, it's going to dump down hard. Also, SPY is in a huge bear flag as well, and once it breaks down under this, similar to NASDAQ, it's going to start to pull back, and I think that's going to happen this week, so that's why I'm going to have to go with a red week for SPY. So this is what we're looking at for SPY in the overall market. No major news, but we do have major data drops this week. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, because there's always opportunities. Even if the market goes up or down, there is ways to make money. Like, you could go long on something like SQQQ. I'm not saying do that, but SQQQ goes up by 3x leverage when NASDAQ goes down. So again, things like SQQQ also showing that they're possibly switching bullish as well. Green MACD 4-hour time frame means most likely the market will be heading down, and we have multiple technicals to show that and fundamentals to show that as well. So this is what we're looking at for SPY in the overall market. Let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto and then wrap up this video. So Bitcoin we had this rally up after breaking out of this bull flag here, hitting a new all-time high, drop down. We might see a little bit more pullback before recovery, long story short, guys. You might see Bitcoin drop down a little bit and then push up. I talked about this on the live stream, though. It looks like altcoins are potentially decoupling here just a little bit from BTC, potentially ushering in that altcoin season. You guys can see that Ethereum has been absolutely pumping and has a falling wedge here. If this falling wedge plays out, you could see another push to the upside, sending Ethereum even higher, and that would be extremely bullish if Ethereum was able to pull that off. Okay, so we could see Ethereum making a new local high here soon, even if BTC has to pull back a little bit. As long as Bitcoin remains above like 15 to 14,000, I don't see why we couldn't have an altcoin season. Normally altcoin seasons happen when Bitcoin consolidates. So Bitcoin consolidating, making new all-time highs, as long as it doesn't crash, it wouldn't bring the altcoins down. Now, if Bitcoin crashed, it would definitely bring the altcoins down. Bitcoin dominance still high, but not as high as it was. You guys can see it was up to 61, 62%. It's at 57.4%. Ethereum dominance sitting at 13.4%. If it was altcoin season and altcoins were truly going to outperform BTC and be able to pump even if BTC pulls back or consolidates, you would need to see Ethereum dominance up to like 15 or 20%, and you want to see Bitcoin dominance down to like 50 or 45%. In those types of scenarios, Bitcoin could pull back or consolidate, but you could still see altcoins push up. So that's why we watch Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance, and it's very, very important. Key coins like XRP are getting fudded right now. I really think they're trying to create a little bit of fear in the market, pull things back. You have to remember, coins, especially coins with actual fixed caps that can't be created or printed, the only way they can get those from you is if they make you sell them. There's a ton of sell walls here for XRP. It looks like they're trying to keep it contained and try to accumulate it before it moves up. But I think XRP will move up, but right now it's definitely getting fudded, and it looks like they're trying to keep it contained, pushed down, and smart money's trying to accumulate before it goes even higher, which I do think it's going to do, but we need to see some key catalysts come into play. There's definitely some things coming up as well. Again, as my Ethereum prediction played out, you guys want to make sure you like and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter/X. But we want to see the ETF for XRP. That would really, really help out and help push the price up. Ethereum is doing absolutely amazing right now. I think Ethereum definitely still has a chance to make a new all-time high. Like I said, would be the final thing in my last prediction about Ethereum here. Before I told you guys it was coming to 4.2, 4.5K, which we did hit. The next thing is going to potentially be a new all-time high as Ethereum is breaking out of a macro accumulation phase. You guys can see the breaking above the sloping support and resistance here. Buy signal in the weekly time frame. Green MACD. I mean, this is huge. You guys can see we came up, used this as support, and we're blasting off now. If you go ahead and pop on the alligator, man, it's showing you that there's a ton of bullish momentum. So I really don't see why Ethereum couldn't consolidate and push up, even if Bitcoin is either consolidating or slightly pulling back. As long as BTC don't crash, you're going to see things like Ethereum, XRP still move up. Cardano, ADA also doing very, very well as well. You guys can see Bitcoin is currently red right now, but Cardano, ADA is up 2.40%, potentially making a bullish consolidation here as well. Potentially about to push up towards like $1.07. It looks like it's about to break past $1 and hold that. So I think ADA is going to be pushing up as well. I do hold a decent amount of ADA for full disclosure. You guys can see, though, that it is following my prediction, and I think we're going to move up to $1.07, $1.25 when this is all said and done. So it looks like we could be potentially moving into an altcoin season, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin could potentially be topping out, but I still think that 125K price target is on the cards here for BTC. We got very close to it here. New all-time high for Bitcoin at $124,500. So basically $500 underneath my price target. RSI kind of cooling down right now. If you go ahead and look at the crypto fear and greed, that's also cooling down as well. So I kind of think this is what we need. We need to consolidate / pullback to have another leg up. Again, you kind of want these healthy pullbacks and consolidations. That way you can have a nice, healthy bull run. You guys can see we're actually moving down towards neutral. It's just very, very, very gently here into the greed. So this is the type of things that you want to see. That way you don't get overextended. And this doesn't really feel like that euphoria state where it felt like in 2021 when it was the top. So I don't think this is the top for the crypto bull run, in my personal opinion. And even if stocks pull back, I think crypto is at a stage now with the legislation that we're seeing and all of the bills being passed, that crypto could still perform well even if the stock market was pulling back. So this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking at for stocks and crypto. This was your weekly outlook prediction for stocks and crypto. If you watched to the end, I truly appreciate it. We have a merch store. I'm rocking some of the merch right now. If you guys want to check that out, support the channel in a different way. You can also send super chats as well. We actually got a super chat during the making of this video, as I did record this video live. If you watch this video live, I appreciate you. And if you watch it after, if you want to support the channel, just leave a like, comment, subscribe to support for absolutely free. And again, if you want to check out the merch store or check out my Discord for exclusive buy and sell signals, that's $100 for a lifetime invite. Hit me up on my email link below. Once you send the money, payment via PayPal or Cash App, I'll send you the link. Don't send the money before you hit me up on my email or Instagram. And ladies and gentlemen, as always, I appreciate each and every one of you, because we couldn't have made it this far without you. As always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. Alright, now we have to get this video out ASAP. So I have to edit it right now. Normally I play around on stream, but I can't. It looks like the market's open a little bit. It's just saying AMC down slightly here. Night hours is nothing to worry about, though. More interested in crypto. 8 is kind of pushing up here, but let's go ahead and... Oh, and we got a super chat. Who gave me that super chat? I look like high energy. It was Electric and Electric First Responder. Bro, sorry, I was making a video. Brother. Hopefully you're still here watching. I appreciate you, dude. Thank you for the freaking 10-piece, bro. 10-piece on the weekend is crazy. Also, Todd with the 5 gifted as well.
That's perfect. I'm always ready to pick up more AMC at another discount.
Man. Thank you so much, bro. Sorry about that. I was in the middle of a video. I don't know if you knew that or not. Hopefully you're still listening. Thank you for the 10-piece on the weekend, bro. Absolutely insane. And then everyone, shout out Electric, shout out Todd, Andrew, and Danny Lamb. Alright, now I gotta edit this or get this thumbnail ready and get this video uploaded, guys. And I gotta do it right now. Yo, thank you all for who watched the live stream, and thank you anybody who watched the video I dropped, and I appreciate you guys.
Melon, please stay.
Thank you, family. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow. Electric first responder. I really hope that you've seen that I acknowledged your super chat, bro. Thank you.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
See ya, Army, bro. Can't wait. Andrew. Kai Supreme. Let's get this thing. Thank you guys for the super chats, man. You guys are awesome, bro. You guys are freaking awesome. I love the DZ family. Thank you so much, man. Super chats on the weekend is always extra special. We got, yo, listen to the stream, guys. 300 views, 5 brand new members, plus multi super chats. Ah! Thank you, family. AMC up 1% here, it says. AMC up 1.33%. Green wing! Alright, guys, I'll see you later. Peace out, family. Brian, peace. Guys, breathe. You there? Video comes out in just a few minutes, guys. Video will be out in just a few minutes. Yes, video will be out in just a few minutes. Please check it out. Check out the AMC IRL video and the weekly outlook and prediction. See ya, everybody.